In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize tasks in ClickUp board view with subtasks, due dates, and times. By the end, you'll be able to see your work at a glance, add clear tasks right on the board, and confidently set precise deadlines down to the minute. First, open the right list. Log into your ClickUp workspace and head to the sidebar. Select the space and then the specific list where your tasks live, like a marketing or product list. Take a second to confirm you're seeing the tasks you expect in that list. If something looks off, make sure you aren't filtering out tasks unintentionally and that you're in the correct space. Next, switch to the board view, sometimes labeled Kanban or even Kanban, depending on your interface. At the top of the list, click the view selector and choose Board. This view lays out tasks in columns based on their status. Think to do, in progress, and done. So you can visualize, flow, and spot bottlenecks quickly. It's ideal for teams who want a simple drag and drop workflow. Now, let's make subtasks visible. In the board view, look for the subtasks option in the view menu or near the top right and turn it on. With this toggle enabled, subtasks appear alongside parent tasks in the same columns, which makes it much easier to track the smaller pieces of work that roll up into bigger deliverables. If you don't see them immediately, double check that the toggle is active in this specific view. Time to add a new task directly on the board. In the column that matches the task's initial status, usually to do, click Add Task. Give it a clear, action-oriented name like Draft Client Proposal or Edit Homepage Video, so anyone can tell at a glance what needs to happen. If your team uses prefixes for consistency, such as TIP or client, include those in the task name. Set a due date and time so expectations are unambiguous. Open the task and find the Add Dates field, or click the calendar icon on the task row. Choose the due date, then set the due time using the time picker. Select the exact time, like 2:45 a.m. or 3 o'clock p.m., and double check whether it's AM or PM. Also, confirm your workspace time zone is correct to avoid surprises for teammates in different regions. Finally, use this setup across your other lists. Switch each list to board view, turn on subtasks, and add tasks with clear names and specific due dates and times. This keeps your work visually organized, time-specific, and easy for your whole team to follow. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.